That's like an understatement. People, when they see this film, they won't believe a word when you say it was toddlers just all over the
far
top.
side. But yes, I tell you what, everyone is present here as Kaizer Chiefs look to get back to a careful football. Well, we're up and away in the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs. Looking for Tuba. Mashiko arrives there early, able to deal with that imminent danger. First corner to Kaizer Chiefs. It's only 11 minutes that's been played, but I can tell you what, he has put on a shift already, as Mashiko.
And it does that. This he can communicate some of the directions a little bit better than most.
Ball switch to the far side now. We're looking to try and keep it alive as two former Orlando Pirates combining. First offside of the encounter, and Kaizer Munyane. Oh, Mashiko steals it away. They come forward now. Mashiko gets one into the box. First tackle, not the cleanest. Still alive for Mashiko. Tries to whip it in. Was trying to but needed to work a little bit harder to dispossess him now. Spagnoni has an opportunity. Oh, looking to close him down as McCarthy. Spagnoni cuts on the inside. Thinks about a shot. Oh. Insiga header. Did well. Arrived on time as Spagnoni. Just couldn't get it right.
But what he does is heads it down. That for me down into
It's going to be it's gone from 64 to that now. Now ball in the box, looking for a turn. Striker. He delivers. It's the flavor that McCarthy had needed in front of goal, and he's never disappointed this season. He does it again for the 7th time.
That is an amazing piece of work, of ball work by Silva. If you look, he picks the ball, you'll see now, he's facing the opposite direction, and he's struggling to turn, but on the turn, and he gets it with the laces. That for me is pure class. Maybe defensively they could have done better to try and make the block, but you got to give it to him. He didn't wait to have a full view of goal for him to strike it. That is top quality.
Top quality from a